Hey guys, this is Ange with Dirt Rock Team, and today we are going to be washing the Gladiator to get it all cleaned up and ready to go for Easter Jeep Safari in a couple weeks. What we are going to be using today is a brand new product that we have actually never heard of. It is called Salty Captain, and the reason we are trying this out is because we live in Iowa and we get brine and salt on the road, and we have actually been looking for a product that would help wash all the salt and brine off of our vehicles during the winter time, right before it, right in the spring. And being as it is a high of 50 degrees today, this is a perfect opportunity to try this product out. So let's take a look and see what we got in the box. All right, so this all came in a package. This is a complete kit for cleaning. Box showed up in very good shape. And when we opened it, we got our own foam cannon called the Automotive Musket. We got a package of microfiber towels. We also got a microfiber hand towel and a microfiber wash mitt, which we need a new one of those, so perfect. We also got 2 buckets and the lids, so we can store all the stuff in the bucket when it's not in use. It'll keep the stuff clean. Let's open up the bucket here. So we have the interior cleaner, the Grease Attack multi-purpose degreaser, 4-wheel drive and RV wash, glass cleaner, which I am running low on, so that is perfect, tire shine, and a drip dry post-wash hydro coat. And you see how all these have screw tabs on them? They even thought about sending you a spray bottle cap. So for your glass cleaner, take this cap off, pull the little stopper off, drop this right in there. There you go. Now your glass cleaner is ready to go. We also have 2 hand brushes. One is a stiffer brush to kind of get the soap into the grime of your tires, maybe bumpers. And then this one would be for like the surface of your wheels so you don't scratch them up. And we also have 2 things, but basically these go into the bottom of your bucket. And as you're washing, the dirt is supposed to go down to the bottom and not come back up. And the reason why there's 2 buckets, because one is going to be the wash bucket, and the other one, before you dip your mitt back into the clean water, you would put it into the other bucket. That way it kind of drops off the dirt and stuff like that. Again, you can see all of this came in the kit. So you can clean your interior, the exterior, the tires, you can clean your glass. All right, so here is the musket. This just goes on your regular old garden hose. They do have one for a pressure washer. This is the one that comes in the kit. So this is our regular old Flexzilla garden hose. There is a gasket that you do have to put onto this, but it simply just screws right on without over tightening. And then this is where you would put your soap solution. I've got the solution on the musket. And again, this position is off. This position is just spray, and then fully forward would be the foam cannon. So let's go ahead and let's get the Gladiator hose down. All right, it's as simple as putting the thing forward to get it to spray foam. And it is common for the soap suds to kind of settle while you're washing your vehicle. Just messed up there. see how dirty this water is getting? Might be kind of hard to see because it's getting the soap in it when I rinse it, but you can see the dirt here. Here's that quarter panel. You can just see this doing a good job. And one thing, since this is specifically designed to help with salt remover, this is not a pH neutral car wash soap. So keep that in mind. One thing I do want to point out here, because I mentioned that the soap is not pH neutral, so it is going to take the wax off of your vehicle. That is what this drip dry is for. This goes right into the musket. You put 90 milliliters in there and you immediately spray the vehicle with this after washing while the vehicle is wet. What this is this is a hydro coat. So this will help to keep your wax from breaking down, which will help continue to protect the clear coat of your vehicle. All right, so I got all the inner fenders sprayed with the musket. I'm just gonna let these sit for a little bit, unlike on the paint, just because these take the most dirt and beating when it comes to mud and whatnot. So I got all 4 of them sprayed. I'll come in with the wash mitt once these have sat for a little bit, and we'll see how well that does. Next thing we'll tackle is the wheels and tires. All right, I got the inner fenders, sprayed them, let them sit, hosed them off. This one is the last one I just got hosed off. Here's this one. All right, guys, I am on to the tires. I have got the hard bristle brush. I grabbed some of this degreaser, the Grease Attack. It does have dilution specs, so please read the bottle. Make sure you are diluting it for your application. I've got a little bit over half a gallon, and I put 2 capfuls in it just because these tires are atrocious. So I'll just point out here, I just hosed these down, and you can see how dirty they still are. This is why it's important to use a tire cleaner or degreaser to get the mud off. All right, so I got the wheels and the tires clean. Now, what I'm going to do, because we did not get it, they have a little magnetic thing that you can hook up with their car wash in it to spray inside your frame. Now, like I said, we didn't get it, so I'm just gonna use the Captain's musket and spray in the frame and the skid plate. Ugh. They do send you a microfiber drying towel. So you would put it up like that and then pull it towards you so it dries off that area. Make sure you got good clear coat when you do this, because if you don't, like that truck, it will pull the paint off. The Jeep is completely dry. Overall thoughts, this is a really great product if you have a very dirty four-wheel drive that you got to clean. The other thing too is this is a pretty easy process. It's literally soap, interior cleaner, glass cleaner. Everything is provided for you. You don't have to buy anything extra. You get a drying towel. You get the microfiber towels to clean the interior. Overall, this is a really great product. I would highly recommend this for anybody who has extremely dirty four-wheel drives like we do, or if you live in an area where you get a lot of salt, because I also sprayed the frame with the musket to try and neutralize some of the salt from the wintertime. But this did a wonderful job. I will have a link in the description below if you would like to pick this up. Now it is an affiliate link, so we will make a little bit of commission on it, but it doesn't cost you anything extra to get that commission, and you actually get 15% off of the product as well. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and we will catch you on the next one.